how to log into your Happn account step by step. The very first thing you need to do is simply install the Happn application through your App Store or Play Store. Then after doing that, here we'll get into this page where you can get the option of connect with Apple. If you have used your Apple ID to create your Happn account, then you can do that, or you can simply tap on other option that you'll be able to get the login with Google, or you can use your cellular phone in order to log into your account too, right? So you can like choose the exact option that you have done in order to create your account. So for example, let's just say I have used my cellular number. Then you can simply tap on that one. Then you can tap on I agree to the terms and condition. Then again tap on agree and close, and here then you'll be able to get into this page where all you need to do is add in your phone number. So once you add in your phone number just like this, you can simply tap on the button right here, and then from there you'll actually be able to get a OTP to your number. Simply add in that OTP in order to verify it. Once you do that and simply tap on sign in, you'll successfully be able to log into your Happn account like that. So yeah, that's all you need to do.